Every year, billions of dollars flow into the weight loss industry, a behemoth projected to balloon to $83 billion. Yet, amidst this booming market, voices like Jonathan Ressler's emerge, challenging the quick fix solutions that dominate headlines and advertisements. Jonathan Ressler, a man who once tipped the scales significantly heavier than he does today, managed to shed 130 pounds. Impressively, he achieved this monumental feat without the crutch of weight loss drugs, which are becoming increasingly popular. In a recent podcast episode, Ressler peeled back the curtain on these so-called miracle solutions, such as Ozempic and Mounjaro. During his discussion, Ressler delved into the cyclical and often disillusioning world of fad diets. He drew parallels to public figures like Oprah Winfrey, whose weight loss journey has seen many public fluctuations. Like many, she turned to pharmaceutical solutions after battling weight through various diets, highlighting a common pattern of temporary fixes rather than sustainable change. Ressler critiqued these medications not only for their hefty price tags, but also for their temporary nature. He pointed out that while some users see quick results, many revert to old habits once they stop the medication, leading to regained weight and a sense of failure. This cycle, fueled by societal pressures and clever marketing, makes these drugs appealing despite their significant costs and questionable long-term efficacy. But Jonathan Ressler's narrative is not just one of criticism. He offers a beacon of hope, a method rooted in making informed, small, and smart nutritional choices. His approach isn't about stringent dieting, but about understanding and adjusting one's lifestyle to be healthier and more mindful. This method allows for flexibility and enjoyment, advocating a balanced approach to eating that steers clear of extreme restrictions. As the podcast episode concludes, Ressler's message rings clear and powerful. True empowerment in weight management comes from knowledge and a commitment to sustainable choices. He urges a shift from the allure of instant results promised by weight loss drugs to a more steady and reliable path of lifestyle changes. In essence, Jonathan Ressler's journey and insights serve as a compelling guide for anyone aiming to reclaim control over their health. By favoring informed lifestyle changes over fleeting pharmaceutical aids, individuals can step away from the mirage of quick fixes and step toward a reality where well-being and health are the foremost priorities. Remember, the journey to weight loss is not sprinted but a marathon, one that requires persistence, informed choices, and a commitment to one's long-term health above all.